Today we're going to work on ellipses, and then that's sort of the first step if you want to draw a still life. And I'm going to be drawing this cup, and I want you to draw 5 cups on one sheet of 9 by 12 paper. I'm going to use a 6B pencil, nice and soft pencil, and we're going to make some contour line drawings. I'm going to start out by showing you what not to do. So when a little kid draws a cup, they make a big circle because they know the top is round, and then they think that the sides are straight and that the bottom is flat. So this is what a bad cup looks like in the universe, and I'm going to show you how to draw a good cup. So just basically from a regular view, like if it were sitting on the table, you would make what's called an ellipse for the top. And the thing about an ellipse is that it's not pointy at the side, so you don't want to make it pointy. Then the cup comes down at a little bit of an angle here like this, and what's interesting is the ellipses stay the same. So if you've made your ellipse this way, right here, this angle and this angle are going to stay the same. And then I'm going to come down the sides like this. I'm scooting my paper over. That's a little bit wonky, but that's okay. I can make corrections later. So that's about the length of the cup. And then I need to close out the bottom, and the bottom is going to look just like this. So I want it to go, I want it to be a little bit round like that. This cup has a little dip in it, another one. So all the ellipses, that's this curvy shape, are the same. So there is one cup. I think it's a little bit off here at the top. I go back and erase that little corner off. I want you to do 5 views. So what happens if you're looking at a little bit more of the cup? The ellipse on the top is going to get bigger. And when that ellipse gets bigger, it looks like you're looking into the cup a little bit more. When that happens, what actually occurs is the sides get a little bit smaller and a little bit more exaggerated. So I'm going to remember this ellipse has to follow the one before it. I'm going to make the sides a little bit more diagonal, and the cup will be a little bit shorter, and this ellipse has to match. So this ellipse matches that ellipse. Right. And then, I'm running out of space. If you see a really into the cup, right, this is going to get a little bit more narrow, and slide that up. Make some corrections. Yep. Okay, so that's 3 views of a cup. What happens if I turn the cup on its side? Oops. So side cup. And then what if it's flying in the air? Maybe I'm seeing a lot of the bottom. So give it a go. 5 views of a cup. Have some fun.